Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about trigonometric table, and in this table I will tell you a very shortcut method to remember the trigonometric values of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, ratios, values of 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. In this video, we will discuss only the shortcut method which will be useful to all. Here, let us draw first of all the trigonometric box of 6 ratios. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here, this is for 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Here, we will write here theta. Theta is a variable which represents the angle. Here we are finding the angles 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. These are the degrees values we are finding here. And here ratio. Here what are the ratios we are having here? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, cosec theta. These are the ratios and these are the angles. Now let us see the shortcut method here. Here we are starting with here 0 angle. So I will write here 0. 0 after what we will get? 1. 1 after 2. 2 after 3. 3 after 4. Here we are starting with 0. I kept here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is ending with 4. So we will divide all the numbers with 4. Here it is ending with 4. So we are dividing with 4. By 4, by 4, by 4, by 4, by 4 we got. Now what we will do means, let us cancel here if any cancellation will occur. 0 by 4 is 0 only, 1 by 4 no cancellation, 2 by 4 is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. This will not get cancelled. Here 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, we got 1. Now we will keep under root for this all the ratios. Let us keep under root for all the values. We will get the values of sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90 values from this. Now look at here, 0 by 4. What is 0 by 4? 0 by anything is always 0. Under root of 0. Under root of 0 is 0 only. Now root 1 by 4. Here we are having root 1 by 4. That is equal to, you will get root 1 by root 4. What is root 1? Root 1 is 1. What is root 4? Root 4 is 2. So what is root 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Now here we are having root 1 by 2. Means under root 1. Under root 1 is 1 only. By under root 2. Under root 2 is not having a specific value. So root 2 we got. Now here root 3 by root 4. Here if you are having root 3 by 4, what we will say here? Root 3 by root 4. Root 3 is root 3 only. What is root 4? Root 4 is 2. So I wrote here 2. Why? Because root 4 value is 2. Now here we are having under root 1. Under root 1 value is 1. So we got the sign values 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. If you got the sign value, we can find out the all other values like cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec very easily. Here, after getting the first value, we will write the solutions in the reverse order so that we will get the cos value. Here we got 1. So that one I will write here. This root 3 by 2 I will write here. This 1 by root 2 I will write here. This 1 by 2 I will write here. This 0 I am writing here. Just I am writing 90 value to 0, 60 to 30, 45 to 45, 30 to 60, 0 to 90. I am reversing the numbers so that I got the values of all cos. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is this one, cos 45, cos 60, cos 90 is 0. Now we got the sine and cos values. Here tan value, what is mean by tan theta is nothing but we can say sine theta by cos theta is called as tan theta. If you are dividing the sine and cos, whatever the solution we are getting, that we can take it as tan theta. Here 0 by 1. What is 0 by 1? 0 by 1 is 0 only. 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Here 2 to get cancelled. What is the answer we are having here? Numerator is 1 by root 3. After dividing this both 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 2 to get cancelled and we are having here 1 by root 3. Here we are having 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Means here 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Here root 2 get cancelled. What we will have here? 1 by 1. 1 by 1 itself is called as 1 only. Here 1 by root 2 we are dividing here. Root 2 get cancelled. 1 by 1 is 1. Here also you divide it here. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Here 2 to get cancelled. Root 3 by 1. What we will get here? Root 3 by 1 is root 3. Now here dividing these both. 1 by 0. 1 by 0. Denominator should not be 0. If denominator is 0, we will get undefined, or you can say it as infinite. 1 by 0 is infinite. We got tan theta. If you are reversing the numbers of tan theta, you will get cot theta. Now this infinite I will write here. This root 3 I will write here. This one I will write here. This one I will write here. This 0 I am writing here. So we got here sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta. Now our turn is to find out the sec theta. Here we already know the sec theta is a reciprocal of cos theta. So this cos and sec both are reciprocal to each other, means reverse to each other. Here what we are having here? 1. 1 is nothing but, can I write it as 1 by 1? Yes. 1 or 1 by 1 both are same. What is the reciprocal of 1? Reciprocal of 1 reverse is again 1 by 1 only. What do you mean by 1 by 1? Is 1. Always we will get the reciprocal of 1 is 1 only. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Here reciprocal of root 3 by 2. Reciprocal means 2 by root 3 it will become. Reciprocal means denominator will become numerator, numerator will become denominator. Here what is the reciprocal of 1 by root 2? Root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1 itself we can say it as root 2. Why? Because in the denominator, if you are having 1 also, no need to consider it. Here 1 by root 2 is root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1 itself is called as root 2. Here 1 by 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by 1. 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. Now, what is the reciprocal of 0? 0 reciprocal is 1 by 0. 1 by 0, denominator is 0. If you are having denominator 0, then it will be undefined. Here, reciprocal of sign is set. 1 reciprocal is 1. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. 0 reciprocal is undefined. 1 by 0 is undefined. Now you reverse these numbers, we will get cosec. Here, infinite 2 root 2 2 by root 3 1. In this way, we can write the trigonometric table in a very easy format, and this helps you a lot in your examinations. Here simply you have to remember the first line itself. If you know the first line properly, you can solve the total all other values in a very easy way. Here we are having 0 degrees, so I am starting with 0. 0 after 1, 1 after 2, 2 after 3, 3 after 4. It is ending with 4, so dividing each and every number with 4. After that, we made, if any cancellations is there, we did the cancellation. After that, just keep the root for all the values. So whatever the solutions we got is sign values. If you reverse the sign value, you will get the cos value. If you are dividing the sin and cos values, you will get the tan value. Reversing the tan value, we will get cot value. If you are doing reciprocal of the cos, we will get the sec values. Here, writing in the reverse form of sec value, we get cosec value.
If you like this video, share, like, subscribe to my channel.